Hello, this is Kent Ribley. I'm here in my wonderful studio. I love my new studio, and I've been kind of having fun working on my exhaust system here. I'm doing some copper work like I used to do in my early days. I made this copper hood using the same techniques I used to do Dirk Van Erp work, style work back in the early 80s, late 70s. Dirk Van Erp was an arts and crafts metalsmith in the San Francisco Bay Area, and was one of the top metalsmiths in the arts and crafts movement. And he made beautiful copper lamps and table pieces that are now widely sought after and are widely knocked off. So look him up, Dirk Van Erp, E-R-P. And anyway, so this is a leftover from those days where I was just hammering. You can see that the construction is all rivets and sheet. This little hammered border here is very typical of what Dirk Van Erp did, so I kind of use that. And this is just some copper tubing I flattened and riveted on, and that will now go against the wall here to kind of hide my fan right there, and then my tube will come out and come to my hood. The main problem I had is because I want to use this hood both over my burnout oven, I want to use it over my casting area when I'm torching there, I also want to use it over here where I do my alloying. So I had to come up with a system of being able to move this around. It rests here on the stove, on the burnout oven, on these braces. So I'm going to use these braces to support it, making a kind of a shelf system, which I'm working on over here. So I have a drawing here. This shows the hood here, and then this is the wall, piece of wood with an eyelet, and this is forged copper bar, riveted together in different sections. So this is a half-size scale drawing and the full-size piece of copper work, the three pieces that are just held together by binding wire at this point. I've got one here that's been riveted together. Let's just hold it over the floor where it might show up better. So there we go. You can see I've got a cross brace going here, and I still have to add two more pieces on the ends, which is what I'm forming right now. Anyway, so basically these will just fit in there like that. Goes the other way around actually, so can you see that all right? These will just run against the wall with the rod going through them, and then this will just rest against the wall and support the weight. And that way I'll also be able to slide it this way or this way to get it positioned wherever I want. So that's kind of what I'm working on now. The other thing I wanted to show you is this. You've seen this before probably. This is one of my custom-made exhaust extraction hoods for a bench top. And this is also done in the Dirk Van Erp style. You can see the scalloped edge here, the hammer marks, all the rivets. There's a piece of copper rod in here around which the sheet has been folded to give it a stronger border. And otherwise it's all just hammered copper and rivets. It's a really fun way to work. When I want to go large scale, this is what I do. And this is just for fun. So anyway, thought I'd share that with you, and hope to see some of you in our summer classes, because these will be there for you to use. Take care.